Welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do understanding quadrilaterals. Our learning objectives are quadrilaterals, verifications of some properties of square, some properties of rectangle, some properties of parallelogram, some properties of rhombus and polygons. So first is quadrilaterals. Quad means 4. A closed figure made up of 4 line segments, that is known as quadrilateral. So first is rectangle. A parallelogram which each angle a right angle is called a rectangle. RSTU is a rectangle. RS is parallel to UT and UR is parallel to ST. Angle RSTU all are 90 degree. So this is a rectangle RSTU. 4 sides है, opposite sides are equal and parallel. RS is parallel to UT and UR is parallel to ST, and all angles RS, T and U, they are of 90 degree. So this is a rectangle. Next is square. Square is a rectangle with all the sides equal in square. Also, the rhombus with each angle a right angle is a square. EFGH is a square. EF is parallel to HG. EH is parallel to GF. Angle EFGH all are 90 degree. EF equals to FG equals to GH equals to HE. This is a square. In the square, all 4 sides are equal and parallel, and all the angles E, F, G and H are of 90 degree. Next is trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides are parallel is called the trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. In trapezium, only one pair of sides are parallel. So here AB is parallel to CD. So this is a trapezium. Next is parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral with each pair of opposite sides are parallel. It's called parallelogram. EFGH is a parallelogram. EF is parallel to HG and EH is parallel to GF. Here, this is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, each pair this and this side. HG, or we can say GH, is parallel to FE and HE is parallel to GF. Clear? Next is rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram with all sides are equal is called rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. All sides equal होती हैं and opposite side parallel. AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Clear? Next is kite. Kite is a quadrilateral with 2 pair of equal adjacent side but opposite sides are unequal is called a kite. ABCD is a kite. Here, ABCD is a kite, adjacent side. AB and BC, they are equal, and AD and DC, they are equal. Next is verification of some property of squares. A square is a rectangle with all sides are equal or a rhombus with each angle 90 degree. A square is basically a rectangle. Therefore, AB equals to CD and AD equals to BC. Like rectangle, opposite sides are equal. If AB equals to AD, so rectangle क्या बन जाएगा? Square. That means AB equals to BC, AB equals to CD equals to AD equals to DC, means all sides are equal, so it is a square. Thus, the diagonals are the equal length. Diagonals क्या हो जाएंगे? Equal length के. The diagonal bisect each other at right angle. Clear? Next is verification of some properties of rectangle. Diagonals of the rectangle bisect each other since the rectangle is a parallelogram. Also in triangle ABD and triangle BAC, triangle ABD. This is the triangle ABD. And next triangle, that is triangle BAC. Triangle BAC, this one. If we take these two triangles, AD equals to BC, opposite sides of rectangle, इसलिए equal हो जाएगी. Angle A equals to angle B. Each angle of rectangle is 90 degree, so both the angles are equal. AB equals to BA, common sides है. AB equals to BA, ये दोनों में common है. So we can say triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by SAS congruency condition. So we can say AC equals to BD by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Clear? So the diagonals of the rectangles are equal and bisect each other. Next is verification of subproperty of parallelogram. In the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. AC is one of the diagonals in triangle ABC and CDA. So here we have taken two triangles, ABC and CDA. ABC and CDA, this one, these two triangles. Now in these two triangles, AC equals to AC, this is the common side, and angle CAB equals to angle DCA, alternative angles हो जाएंगे. Angle BCA equals to angle DAC, alternative angle. So we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA by ASA congruence. Now if these two triangles are congruent, we can say AB equals to CD by CPCT, BC equals to AD, and angle B equals to angle D. Clear? Similarly, by drawing diagonal BD, अगर हम diagonal BD draw कर दें, and we can show that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB. So we can say angle A equals to angle C. So we can say in the parallelogram, pair of opposite sides are equal and pair of opposite angle are equal. In the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. Its diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at O. Now triangle AOB and triangle COD. Here we have taken two triangles. Triangle AOB. This is the triangle AOB, and triangle COD. This is the triangle COD. Now in these two triangles, AB equals to CD and angle OAB equals to angle OCD. Angle OAB equals to angle OCD, this and this angle, and angle ABO equals to angle CDO, alternative angles है. So we can say triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by ASA congruence. So A equals to CO by CPCT and BO equals to OD. So the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. Next is verification of some properties of rhombus. In the given figure, ABCD is a rhombus. AC and BD are the diagonals of rhombus. From the properties of parallelogram, they bisect each other. So AO equals to CO. Bisect कर रहा है, that means we can say AO equals to CO. Both are equal, and BO equals to DO. BO equals to DO. Now we'll take two triangles, triangle AOB and AOD. Triangle AOB and triangle AOD. Triangle AOD, this one. We'll take these two triangles. So in these two triangles, OB equals to OD, diagonal bisect करते हैं तो दोनों sides equal हो जाएंगी. AB equals to AD, दोनों ये equal हो गई. By the definition of rhombus, rhombus में all sides equal होती है. AO equals to OO, common sides है. So we can say triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD. So we can say angle AOB equals to angle AOD, means angle AOB, this one is equal to angle AOD. Clear? But angle AOB plus angle AOD 180 degree because linear pair hai. So we can say angle AOB equals to angle AOD, that is 180 upon 2, that is 90 degree. That means we can say the diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other at right angle. Now we'll take an example. The perimeter of the parallelogram is 150 centimeter. One of its sides is greater than the other by 25 centimeter. Find the length of the side of parallelogram. Suppose the shorter side is x centimeter. तो longer side क्या हो जाएगी? Because 25 centimeter extra है, so x plus 25 centimeter. Perimeter 2x plus 25 plus x centimeter. So 2x plus 2x 4x, 25 into 2 50. 4x plus 50, 4x plus 50 total perimeter, that is 150 centimeter, that is equals to 150. So x equals to क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ 150 minus 50 के 100, x equals to 100 upon 4, that is 25 centimeter. So the length of the shorter side, that is 25 centimeter, और longer side की हो जाएगी 25 plus 25, that is 50 centimeter. Clear? Next is polygons. Polygon is a simple closed curve made up entirely line segment is called the polygon. For example, these are some examples of polygon. Next is side, vertices and diagonals of polygon. The line segment forming a polygon is called its side. In the adjoining figure, PQRST is a polygon. It has 5 sides, PQ, QR, RS, ST and TP. The meeting point of the pair of sides is called the vertex of the polygon. It has 5 vertices, A, B, C, D and E. The line segment formed by joining non-adjacent vertices are called the diagonals of the polygon. In the given polygon, the line segment PR, PS, QS, QT and RS are all the diagonals of polygon. Number of diagonals can be calculated by the following formula. Number of diagonals, that is equals to n multiplied by n minus 3 upon 2, where n is the number of sides. Clear? Here, this is a polygon. It has 5 sides, PT, PQ, QR, SR and ST. These are the sides and these are vertices, P, Q, R, S and T. And this is diagonal SP. This is diagonal PR. Now, number of diagonals, that is equals to n multiplied by n minus 3 upon 2, where n is the number of side. For example, number of diagonals in pentagon, if you have to find, we'll use the formula 5 multiplied by 5 minus 3 upon 2, that is equals to 5. So number of diagonals हो जाएंगे pentagon में 5. Clear? Now we'll take another example. Find the number of diagonals of the following polygons whose number of sides are given below. Number of side n equals to 10. So number of diagonal n multiplied by n minus 3 upon 2. So 10 multiplied by 10 minus 3 upon 2. 10 into 7 upon 2, that is 35. So number of diagonal हो जाएंगे 35. Clear? Next is types of polygon. First one is convex polygon. A polygon in which each interior angle is less than 180 degree is called the convex polygon. Convex polygon में each interior angle that will be less than 180 degree. So that is a convex polygon. These are some examples of convex polygon. Next is concave polygon. A polygon in which at least one interior angle is greater than 180 degree is called the concave polygon. These are some examples of concave polygon. Next is fact file. In this chapter, by a polygon we would mean the convex polygon only. चैप्टर में हम ओनली कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगन्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज रेगुलर पॉलीगन. A polygon in which all sides and angles of the polygons are equal, then it is called a regular polygon. For example, triangle, square, pentagon. These are some examples of regular polygon. Next is irregular polygon. An irregular polygon, a polygon whose all sides and angles are not equal, is called irregular polygon. For example, these are some examples of irregular polygon. In this kind of polygons, all sides and all angles are not equal. Note, all regular polygons are convex. Clear? Next is points to remember. The sum of all the angles of quadrilateral, that is 360 degree. The quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides parallel is called the trapezium. The quadrilateral with each pair of opposite sides parallel is called parallelogram. A parallelogram with all sides equal is a rhombus. The parallelogram with each angle, a right angle, is a rectangle. A rectangle with all sides equal is a square. Also, a rhombus with each angle, a right angle, is a square. In the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite angles are equal, diagonal bisect each other. The diagonals of the rectangles are equal and bisect each other. The diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other at right angle. The diagonal of the squares are equal and bisect each other at right angle. Next is exercise 12.1. Subject enrichment. Fill in the blanks. First is the diagonals of the rectangles are equal. In rectangle, diagonals are equal. So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.